You're opening already?
What is this?
Ah. Wow, what is that? Let me see.
It's an Ariel doll.
Oh, nice.
It's kind of like purple.
It says Isha though.
Yeah, Dad.
How come Isha has so many? There's no name on it. I think this one is also Allison. Yeah, it is.
What you got? Let me see.
This.
Open it.
Okay.
What is?
I have no idea how to open this. It's chocolate.
Let me see. Oh, that's too much chocolate.
Mom, yeah, I was just gonna take like 3 bites or something.
Wow. My first Christmas. Okay, what is it, baby? Aww.
Not you, Poggy.
You got a toy. You got a toy, baby. Yay! What else? Aww. Else? Oh! Oh my! There's a doll! Oh, a doll! A baby doll. Yee! Merry Christmas, babe! Ay. My first Christmas! Gakulis mautang nawong eh. Ha? Gagisapot.
Open it, Poogie.
Wow, Poogie opening his present. Pogs! Ah, Pogs! Ay, ay, ay! Yay! That's my present.
Nobody.
Ta-da. What you got, babe?
Headphones.
You got headphones.
I can play it on computer now.
Yes.
Look like a tool set. What is it?
Oh, what is that? Is that? This
What you got?
skeleton?
Like a hot sauce. It's like a hot sauce set.
Daddy, look at
Let's open the other one.
No.
What's this?
No idea, Moses?
Pogs, do you really have to be on the video all the time?
Dad, this is a present of the day.
Ah. Iron?
The name.
Let me see how it looks.
Daddy, where
Ali.
have you seen that? Oh,
Oh my, that's so pretty.
that's the little ears or so, but at least they're pink like her.
Yeah. Wow, I love it.
Why? But why didn't you give me them?
Again, you already have so many dolls, tons and tons of dolls. Oh my
But
god.
it's a princess.
Let me see.
You shouldn't even open it. Keep it in the box.
Yeah, because you already have so many dolls.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
It's another doll.
It's an, oh my god.
It's a doll.
Rapunzel.
You can get other people, see?
Oh yeah.
And I got this one.
Okay. Happy
And I'll get some more.
t-shirt.
Huh?
Mom, I found a present that does not even have a name.
Let me
No, that's here. A-R-Y-E-N. Well, your both names start with A and end with N.
Who is it?
I don't know. No name.
Oh man. That must be Foggy.
No name.
No, that's Ali.
Daddy.
Huh? That's Ali's socks.
But why says your daddy?
I know. Wow! Oh my golly, so much mess to make. Oh my gosh.
Don't find me again then. Look
Yeah.
at grapes though. Yum.
Huh?
I just said, ooh, this grape's so yum. This is mine. Oh,
What is it?
I can't tell you.
What is it? Wow. What is it? Let me see.
That's just Chelsea.
It's Chelsea, little puppy in a little car.
Wow.
Go, Timber. Go. Your strength.
This is tall. Wait, it's almost the same height as me. No, we got some unicorns.
Wow.
Unicorns.
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay, put it there. Wow. Those are
It's
unicorns.
a unicorn set.
Yes, I see that.
Oh, do we have to walk across the block?
Mhm.
Not illiterate. Not at all.
Yeah. You got how much? How much is it?
520.
$25.
More.
How much is it? Huh?
For baby. That rat baby.
That's grandma.
How much is it?
Dorothy. What's this?
It's for the baby.
He's a target.
Yeah.
It's a car. It's a car.
Cute. Oh my gosh, this is mine now.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Hey, Ali, give it to your mom.
Thank you, Belle.
Yeah.
Give it to your
Yes.
mom.
Uh-huh. What is that?
This is my help.
Well,
I will buy this from the party. I don't have kids. Okay, let's make one.
What is it?
More.
More. Oh my golly. More Barbie.
Barbie. Go away, Pugs.
Okay, hi. Merry Christmas, and I have presents to show you. So I have this food, and it comes with this, and it comes with this, and it comes with this. And
Wow.
I have this puppy,
Mm-hmm.
this Barbie ballerina doll.
Okay.
Okay, and I also got this jewelry set
Wow.
that has this unicorn on it. And I have these headphones, but
God.
and I also have this. Oh,
Let me see.
A unicorn family.
no, it's a unicorn world.
Unicorn World.
And I also have this rainbow beautiful set.
Wow.
And I forgot to show you this My Little Pony Pinkie Pie, and I found this button that I don't know what it does to her. And as you can see, she's really beautiful, and there's all the characters. Wait, where's Twilight Sparkle? Am I free? So this beautiful dress, other one, these socks. Oops, they got this Chelsea doll.
Wow. And these are all the addition.
Oh no, no, read that part.
Huh?
No, read that part.